recent interview said to say akoye no wapapa nsemu wakansem akese pa wo se Otumfuo say tutu enko ana betimi akase Kotoko no ommo anase omma ne mmo Kotoko biom the supporters ne keka se wo say to say na wo pe Kotoko abo na wo behu se ye ma wo mmo Kotoko biom enam de wo de aye Kotoko no o se Otumfuo say tutu enko ana betimi achese the club no omobium supporter bia intimi stop on say daachi bi opeso bo Kotoko a obeba bobo no chemu say onje Kotoko sika onada Kotokofo na o se ono oyekumase asante Kotoko ni inti Kotoko supporters a mo ka se wabegi sika e na odada Kotoko no eye ntoronko a ne nsem a okan ne nyina wa ha be de bro ofi anopai e na one Kumase FM e wo Kumase etwetwe sa nkomo no e na o breaki silence over nsema ekoso na actually was onje Kotoko sika no na has the also waje omuska about 95 million which is 9,500 Ghana cedis was has for no edema no but we no dey we bu o masim anazere okay well you so bebo has anazo ma but ne nsema o ka no in a nutshell no o chese Kotoko ono ye Kotoko ni a ontimi embe disgrace Kotoko. Listen, no, I would have my main farm straight away. Now, make I say, I say everybody knows I support Kotoko. Be any support Kotoko. I even said that on radio, so there is no way I will disgrace Kotoko. I make kind of radio, so indeed there is no way I made it to ready Kotoko. I never received any money from Kotoko supporters for my mom's funeral, so the supporters should stop destroying my name because nothing like that happened. I say me, being quite beer from Kotoko supporters for during ne maame ayi no na Kotoko supporters or more destroy ni din no munjai because bibi sense the only money I received from House of Folk diaspora who sent me 9,500. I mean that they didn't ask me to come and play for the club. I say sika me jai and me receive here sky free house for 9,500 and okroma anka se member house. It is only Otumfuo who can tell me set you will never play for Kotoko apart from no supporter can say that they will not allow me to play for Kotoko. So Otumfuo nkwa na betimaka say ommo Kotoko. Supporter bi ntimi nkasa anje no. They should stop that because they can't destroy my name. Ose munjai sa na muntimi ensei mi din. Hey, eza wabo no ho. Obeke kan sem say about set. Onya abotere. Sani tibu abebu anofo a. Nyoma akoso in the past weeks. Also unyabotere me dey meet my catch na no unyabotere pa even though so on the side of the story but unyabotere or kasapa yeah say onye Kotoko sika has no waje omuska nti I like to say has obe join and as one join e wono ho but we wish him all the best.